Can you guess these 3 animals just from clues? The last one will definitely surprise you. This animal lives underwater, can regrow body parts, and always looks like it's smiling. What is it? It's an axolotl. Think that was easy. You won't guess the last one. So hit subscribe and keep going. This animal has tough scales, rolls into a ball to hide, and it's super rare. Know it? It's a pangolin. This one chills with crocodiles. It's the world's biggest rodent, and it's the calmest animal alive. Got it? It's a capybara.